everybody! If you want to refund a gifted game on Steam and you are wondering how, today we are gonna guide you through the process for that. So without any delay, let's just dive right in and get started. So you can start by opening the Steam and finding out the specific game that you would like to get refunded. So the recipient must initiate the refund if they have already claimed it, allowing the original buyer to get their money back. Otherwise, the buyer can refund it directly via Steam support as well. So usually for that, once you go to Steam here, you can look out for Steam support, go to settings and go to Steam support, or let's head over to a site instead. So you can directly head over to a site and go to help.steam powered and type in .com and hit enter. And that should probably take you to this help page of Steam right there, and find the section for purchases here, this one right here. Click on it, and within purchases, what you need to do is look out for the section for gifted game. So you can look out for gifted game or refund section, and once you go there, you can just go ahead and complete the request. You can look out for requesting a refund, and you can just go over, and after you've logged in and gone to the purchases section, look out for your Steam support and look out for your purchases that you've done. I do not have currently any, but this should be the particular interface you should be finding. And from there, you can just go over and look out for the section to complete the request, and crucially, allowing the original purchaser to get a refund. You can select this option of purchasing by accident or something like that, and select this option of I would like to request a refund. After that, you need to provide in the necessary details, like that you would like to get the refund, and after that you can just go over and unclaim it. If it has not been opened yet, you can just go over and claim it, and look out for the submit request option and do it. And after you do so, within the standard 14-day 2-hour window, you will be getting the gift back to yourself. You can just go over and first of all have the recipient complete the steps above to approve the refund, and once they have approved, you can log into Steam support yourself and find the purchase and request a refund. And that's it, everybody. We hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.